give her some gas. Yeah, she can move. Definitely a quick car. Lovely. Hey there everyone, welcome to DM Carvies. Today we are driving a 2023 Toyota Corolla GR, and thank you Talbot for making this possible today. Definitely a pretty unique car, especially to find one nowadays, but if you're looking to get a good deal on a newer pre-owned car, you can reach out to Talbot at Darcars Volvo of Rockville in Rockville, Maryland. He'll get you set up. But let's
also financing. Yeah,
financing, bad credit, good credit. He'll take care of everything. So let's fire up this beast and go take a look outside. This is definitely a very unique example. It's got only 6,000 miles and it's priced aggressively, ready to go. This is my first time driving a Corolla GR. I've only driven the regular CVT Corollas, so this will be an interesting experience. I love the way it looks. It's aggressive. Let's check out the rear seat. All right, so hopping in the back, I am 6'2", and surprisingly there is still enough space here. I can still sit pretty comfortably, although it is to the tighter side. We also got cup holders, a black roof, obviously not a lot of soundproofing, but it still works. Our chargers. Let's go take a look at the trunk. Right here. Boom. The trunk is fairly small, so you can maybe put in a suitcase, not too much, but still enough to take a trip. Let's check out the engine bay. This is a 3-cylinder. This is a 3-cylinder engine, turboed. As you can see, there's no soundproofing on the hood. Toyota wants you to have that raw driving experience. All right, well, let's hop in and take her for a spin. We got these cloth sport seats. All right, so here we have a very Toyota-ish infotainment system, connected drive, settings, no dual zone climate, everything is very minimalistic. Customized vehicle, lights, just the regular settings. We got this fancy display with the boost gauge, the G-forces, and we can also split our power differently, 60-40, 30-70, or the track mode, but we'll do 30-70 for now. We have different drive modes, normal, sport. We're gonna start out in normal, stick shift, heated seats. No armrest, unfortunately, no sunroof, none of these goodies. You got an extendable visor. I love the frameless mirror. Everything here looks good. All right, well, let's do a wiper test, a horn test, and let's get started. All right, let's also check out the backup camera quality. It's not bad, although it's not the clearest camera that you can find. It's definitely not a bad one, but it could use some more definite HD, high definition. So setting off in this Corolla, I have to say it actually feels super nimble. Very easy to maneuver, great seating position, and it has a unique rumble. It sort of reminds me of the Subaru Boxer engines, sound-wise. So Talbot, have you ever driven a Corolla like this before?
Actually, no. It's the first time that I've driven them. But I like the sound more than anything else.
You like the sound of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely sounds way cooler than your regular CVT Corolla. And I like the steering wheel. It's nice, thick, has that Audi resemblance. What's it called? The airbag storage unit or whatever they call it. My Audi S5 had the same round design. The clutch feels great. It's very easy to use, very easy to feel the car. And once it hits 3,500 RPM, it's got plenty of boost, so you can maneuver it. It's got plenty of power, plenty of pep. Also tells us the speed warning, all the pedestrian signs, so it has the road sign information. The seats are great, they're comfortable. And what's surprising is that they are sporty, but they're not too tight. For example, my Audi S5 had tighter seats than this. This actually feels more comfy, seat-wise. And of course, this car was not meant for, you know, any luxury intentions. It still feels very nice and pleasant in here. Minimalistic, but nice. We have the physical buttons. I like that. Plenty of space. Good space, I think, for a Corolla. Also like these gauges.
Got a nice center of gravity too.
Yeah, it has a low center of gravity. Exactly. It also has the heated steering wheel, I see. ODO trip. MT. And the clutch is so easy to feel. It's very easy to use. I've only taken a few turns on this car, but I already feel it really well. Ooh. Wow. Huh? Yeah, some drivers here are just ridiculous. We also have that blow-off sound like from the car. It rides nice. It doesn't feel too stiff either. It just has like a good balance. Also has the pre-collision system, which tells us if we're coming too close to a car. I like the way it sounds. It has that little whistle to it too. It's nice.
Wow. A lot of legroom here.
A lot of legroom, yeah. Would you replace your Toyota with this?
No, I don't want a sports car. I like this. I really like my big car.
I don't know, there's just something cool about these sports cars. Once you get to the bumps, you can definitely feel that this is a sporty suspension. Like you can really feel it. But it's super easy to drive, very nimble, We also have the blind spot indicators and the mirrors. The brakes are awesome. Excellent brakes. And the soundproofing is not bad. Nimble into the turns. Let's give her some gas. Yeah, she can move. Definitely a quick car. All right, so we're going to do our first acceleration test. We're not going to push it hard. I'm going to start smoothly. We don't want to damage anything, but let's go. Very nice. So I did 7.4 seconds. I made sure to not start too aggressively because we don't want to damage anything. And of course I'm still getting used to it, but yeah, 7.4 seconds is what it's at for normal average, I guess. And 2 people in the car, and it's also almost 90 degrees, over 90 degrees today. So that's what it is. So we're gonna turn around and start heading back and wrap up this drive. has good pickup. When you're in gear, amazing. Just want to make sure there's no camera here.
You got one.
Yeah, it's not here anymore. No, there's no camera here anymore. Lovely. You also don't feel any speed on this at all. Like, it doesn't even feel like you're going fast. It really hides the sensation of speed. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Let me know your thoughts about the test drive down below. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you to Talbot one more time for making this possible. But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And until next time.